What's up guys, welcome back. Naruto. I've always wanted to draw this manga panel of Naruto. He just looks real intense. So, let's go. So I'm going to probably start with his headband. Just get like head and stuff in the right place. So we'll go just across here. We're going to cut the page just so we know where the top is and where the bottom is. So this is the line for his headband. Slightly curved, and like it bends up here. It goes under hair on this side, but we'll bend it up there as well. Right, so his face is down below and his hair is up here. So we'll go down and do his face. We'll do his eyebrow first. Check mark. Going that way. And then the yellow sort of section there. And then the other one. Like that. And then the yellow part here. So he's slightly in 3/4 pose, right? So his head is slightly turned. That's why this eyebrow looks longer. And there's all these sort of frown lines. So his face is real sort of scrunched up and he's real angry, right? So under here we have his eyelid line. So we're going to touch the eyebrow pretty much and then carve it around. That's a real dark line. And then we're going to spike. So we're going to like bring this spike down this way. And then his eyes are unusual because they're kind of like crunched up. He's got like a real intense look on his face. So he's like, this line kind of like curves up a little bit. And then there's like lots of wrinkles in here. Like everything's kind of scratchy and sort of crunched up on his nose. Go all in here. It's just such a good drawing. Naruto was peak. There's like some lines under there. And then we'll go for his blue iris. You can give him the red one if you want, if you want him to be in QB sort of mode, Kurama mode. But this is just a blue eye. So we'll go pupil there. And we'll go over and do the other one. So you're about eye width, right? So the width of this eye will fit pretty nicely in between the two tear ducts. So like this roughly fits in there, the whole width of his eye. And then we can curve this one up and over again. And then it spikes down. And thick it, make it darker just slightly on top. And then again, this sort of eye is kind of like his sort of cheek, so it kind of like curves up this way. Like maybe joins his nose a bit there. And it's like he's got like bags under his eyes or something here. And then the big blue half circle iris there. It's kind of thick as well. Pupil black. Like that. And then like that. Such a well-drawn manga. So like his sideburns of his hair, so kind of like a spike here and a spike here, and this will kind of show you where like his jaw and everything is. So his face shape comes down like from these, and you get the ears around the outside. But like his collar kind of comes across here. Maybe I'll do the ear actually. So we just get an ear in here, and then this comes down. But his collar sort of cuts that off, and the other ear comes around there. And you get some ear lines inside, simply just like that. Right, so for the nose, we can just see nostrils. And then his mouth, he's kind of like grumpy, you know, he's like snarling nearly. So it's like, it curves up. And then sort of down here. So that kind of looks like his mouth is closed, but we'll open it up and add teeth, right? So the bottom lip sort of comes across this way. And then you can see the teeth inside. So we'll go just here. Around this way, I think. And then it's just black shadow in here where there's no teeth. Kind of like that. And then I think we can just see a bit of his bottom lip. And again, there's like all scratches on his face and stuff. So we can see a bit of his chin. Just there, and that would like join that part, but there's a collar here. But then we can just bring the chin up here. And it curves around his cheek and goes up to that sideburn on that side. And we can, so the face marks, you know, these kind of tiger stripes that he has, or whiskers. And then he's all sort of beat up as well, so there's like all scratches on him, dots and dirt, and all sorts of bags under his eyes and things. Right, I guess we can see this collar, right? And it kind of comes out from behind his neck. So you can see like some of his neck just there. And then his collar sort of seems to come out down this way. And he's got those bumpy parts. Like a zipper here. And then there's, you know, texture lines that just run down this way. So we see a little bit of hair here, some hair spikes just at the back. And I think there's a couple on this side of his face as well. And we go up and add the rest of the hair. So just where this sort of headband stops, we get like a hair spike. And then some more sticking out the side. Standard sort of Naruto. Hair spikes, and this one I think goes just off the top of my page there. And then we get another one going that way. And then the top of the headband could be the metal plate actually. So we'll go, maybe we'll do, yeah, so we'll go hair here. Yes, the headband should be higher up. We'll do the metal plate here actually. That's what we'll do, sorry. Because that headband should be, I think. So if it went up, yeah, here. And then we can see the metal studs that keep it on. And then the leaf. So we'll draw the spiral and we'll try and do the double lines. So we just get this and then you double it up. You get the beak sort of sticking out here. And then like scratch it up as well. And then we'll go hair spike here. Small one in behind. And then this way. Like that. Right, so his collar on this side then, you know, he's got that bumpy collar. And then there's a zipper line here. And then we get his neck. And the rest of the collar going this way. Got some of the, you know, the headband thing that hangs down. Just a little bit of that there. Okay, and like you said, like there is like dark bags under his eyes, like it's kind of real dark. It's like he looks tired or something, you know. Anyway, all-time fave manga. The way it's drawn, like just in terms of the art, like just it's really unique sort of style. No wonder it was so successful. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.